Hi guys, it's your girl B Michelle coming at you today to show you how to create this simple DIY for Valentine's Day. So if you like the look, stay tuned. So these are the items that I use to create this look. I use some bling wrap, my hot glue gun, some roses. I also use some table confetti or decorative table scatter, that's what it's called. The love sign. I also use this bling I got this from Michael's. You'll need the lights, but those are optional. The fish bowl, the large one as well as the small one. The plates from the Dollar Tree, if you can find those, and the napkin rings. Also the table mesh and the bowls from the Dollar Tree. Okay, so first I'm taking the napkin ring and the bling wrap, and I'm just measuring the napkin ring, measuring the bling wrap to see how much I'll need to cover the napkin ring. And I'm actually just going to cover the center portion of the napkin ring, leaving part of the silver piece exposed. So I'm just cutting that down, and I'm going to take my hot glue, and I'm just going to go in little steps of hot gluing it down, because I don't know if I want this to be like a permanent decor I don't want to keep it for the next season. Well, you can if you want to. So I'm basically trying not to use a whole lot of hot glue on this project, because I may reuse these pieces to do another project. So I'm just hot gluing it down. Usually I would take the glue and I would go around the whole ring, but basically I'm just going down in little pieces. And actually this way is a whole lot neater versus going around the whole ring. But if you want to stay more secure, you can go around the whole ring if you like. So I'm basically just going around in little sections and just gluing it as I go. So that's how it looks. And I'm just removing any other they look like spider webs, but it's just the glue. So I'm just removing the excess glue, and I'm going to hot glue this part down to the bottom portion of one of the bowls. And so I'm just going to center that up and just place it down. And like I said, this is a very simple and easy project to do. So just removing any excess glue and just making sure that's secure. So that's how that looks, and I had already did that one, so I'm gonna go on to the next one. So with the roses, I did not show you guys how I actually did this on camera, but I just took the roses off the stem. They just slide right off, and I took the leaves that's on there and I hot glued the leaf down to the rose itself, because they're actually separate on the little bunch that you get. And I just took the leaf and just hot glued it together so it can stay together. So one of the other steps you're going to do is take one of the bowls. We'll take the bowls that you have and fill it with rocks. So I'm just using some of the white rocks that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to fill that bowl with the rocks. And this is just basically to give the rose that's going to be sitting on top, just so it can sit up a little bit higher versus just laying in the bowl. So, and it also looks cute when you look down into the bowl too. So I'm using the rocks, and I'm also using these little diamonds that I picked up from Michael's, I believe. So I'm just placing it all together and just sticking a rose right on top. So the next thing is actually, you want to do this part before you fill the bowls with the rocks. It's easier to do it this way. So I'm just going to take the hot glue, and I'm just going to go on the top of the napkin ring, and I'm going to hot glue the napkin ring and one of the silver bowls down together. So you just want to center that and just press it until it's dry. And you guys, it actually looks like a perfume bottle. So I think that's really cute. It looks like a perfume bottle to me. So, and basically I'm just taking one of the roses and I'm placing it inside of the bowl, And this is where the plates come in. If you can't find these plates, because I know I have not seen these in a Dollar Tree in a long time. These are some that I've had for a long time. So you can take a mirror, or you don't have to have anything at all because it's going to be sitting on the table. So I just took one of those plates and I'm just placing it on top. Underneath the bowl, so it can just have something to, I don't know, I'm just placing it there. It just looks cute. But you can also use a mirror if you can find some of the mirrors at the Dollar Tree, or you don't have to use anything at all. So now I'm just filling it with the diamonds and those rocks. And like I said, this step you want to do after you hot glue it down to the napkin ring, because it's much easier to do it that way versus filling it and then trying to hot glue it. So the next thing is I'm taking the bowl and the love sign, and I'm just going to hot glue the love sign down to the bowl. And this is just to give it a little bit more height, because I'm going to use, I actually have 4 of the love signs, and I'm just giving 2 of them a little bit more height so I can just display everything together. So that's all I'm doing in this clip. And like I said, you guys, this is very, very simple to make. So this is the actual finished result. And I just took some of the mesh and just kind of curled it up and just threw it on the little table, and also scattered the heart-shaped table scatter stuff, and put some of the diamonds as well, and just kind of set it, just staged it all together. And this is how it looks when the lights are off. If you want to turn the lights on, like I said, the lights are optional. So this is the finished look, you guys. So this was very simple to make. It didn't take me any time to do it. Very inexpensive. So this is home decor. You can place this in your foyer area, or whatever table you like to set up, or even like your dining room table. You could do a tablescape and set everything up. I just happened to do this just to show you guys some decor for your home. So this is everything, you guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. And if you like this, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So that's it, you guys. Bye.